Sa mga gustong magtrabaho dyan as virtual assistant, ay nag-hire po ang remotejob.io. I-search nyo lang po sa Google Chrome. And then, mag-offer po sila ng mga work from home job. So, discover your dream remote job. So, start your job search. Dito po kayo mag-job search ng mga VA. So, any remote jobs. Then, so ano to? Next lang po tayo. So, maglagay po tayo dito ng email address natin. Ayan. Then, lagay natin put freelance. Then, tapos search. It's already registered with this email. I have an account. So, ayan. Log in with Gmail. Continue. So, bakit? Ayan. So, kung nakikita nyo po dito is marami po siyang data entry specialist. Ayan, healthcare data entry specialist. So, dito mag-upload ka po ng resume nyo and then application. Then, click nyo po yung apply. Then, you can search another job here. Ayan, kung gusto nyo pong virtual assistant, finance, teacher. Ayan, so, teacher. So, kayo na pong bahala kung anong gusto nyong trabaho. Basta, you can go to remotejob.io. You can search on Google.